previous chapter we discussed about like a complex data type. Now today we are going to discuss about like the bool data type. The bool data type is used to represent the boolean values. Okay, now it is used to represent the boolean values. Okay, now what are the boolean values we have in the Python? Now we have true and the false here we have. These are the two values here we have. Okay, in the Python, the true is going to be representing internally like 1 and the false is going to be representing 0. Okay, false is representing 0. Okay, now if you want to do like conditional basis also, now we can guess that like based on the condition, whether the condition is true, now we are going to get the true. Okay, the condition is false, we are going to get the false. Simply, for suppose like if you observe here, now a is equal to 90 and b is equal to 89. Now c is equal to a less than b. Okay, now if I want to print it, now print c. Okay, print c. Now here we are going to get false. And what is the type of c here? Now type of c, now we are going to get it's a bool. Okay, it's a boolean type. Okay, it's a boolean type value we are going to get. Okay, now again, for suppose I'm going to use like this. For suppose true plus true, I'm going to use. What is the output? It's a 2. Why? Already I told you internally that Python is dealing like true. True is what? 1. Okay, now next one more data type, str data type. Okay, what does it mean by the str data type? Okay, str data type is used to represent, okay, string data type. Okay, string data type. Okay, now what does it mean by string? A string is the sequence of characters. Okay, sequence of characters. Now, by using representing what how sequence of characters, that's okay, but how we can represent this by using single quotes and the double quotes we can represent. Okay, single quotations and double quotations we can represent. Now, simply here, name is equal to single quotations Satya. Okay, the name is equal to double quotations Satya. Okay, like this we can represent the string in Python. Okay, now I have some other requirement. For suppose the name is equal to, now Satya, I'm going to enter into the new line. Now Prakash. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, basically if I enter like this, simply we are going to get error. Okay, now basically it's not possible. But if you want this type of requirement, simply now we'll go for, okay. Now basically this type of requirement we can call it's a multi-line string. Okay, multi-line string. But if you want that, simply we'll go for like a triple single quotes and triple double quotes. Now like this, now PRAKSH, like this we can use. It is a triple single quotations. The same way here we can use triple double quotations. Okay, triple double quotations we can use. This is the thing. Okay, now this is the way now we can represent a string in Python. Okay, but suppose I have like the value will be like this. Now Satya. Okay, now I want to extract some portion of the string. I want to extract some letter from this given string. Then how I can extract it? Okay, how I can extract it? Now the concept is called the slicing. Okay, the slicing in the sense what? The piece of information, the piece of data, we are going to slice it. Okay, then how we can slice it? Now we can use one operator that is like a array operator. Okay, this is based on okay, this is based on index format. The index is always starting with a 0 only. Okay, now in this array symbol, in this array format, now we can pass the data, we can pass the data positive or negative. Okay, anyway we can pass it. Okay, now if it is a positive data, now it is a forward direction. Okay, it is forward direction. Now forward direction in the sense like it's a left to right, the data is moving the left to right. Okay, now if it's a negative in the sense, it's a backward direction. Okay, backward direction. Okay, if it is a backward in the sense like right to left. Okay, right to left. Now in this thing, now we can use the both the ways. Now we can pass the positive data, now we can pass negative data also. Okay, now how we can pass it? Now see here, observe carefully here. I'm going to pass some data. Okay, name is equal to Satya, I passed. Okay, now name of name of 0. Now we are going to get the first letter. Okay, 0 index number. Okay, name of for suppose I want to start with a 1, I don't want to end with like, sorry, I want to end with a 4. Okay, now see here, ATH. Now name of for suppose I want to starting, but I don't want to mention ending index number. See here, now 1. Okay, I mentioned like that starting point. I didn't mention ending point. The total value we are going to get. But suppose name of simply I want to mention starting point, but ending point is like around 40. We don't have any 40 values, but even though I mentioned simply the all the data we are going to get. Okay, name for suppose I want to mention only end data. For suppose like up to 4 only I'm going to get. Now if I enter, see up to 4 we are going to get. Now we have other way. Name of simply I don't want to mention anything. Just simply the colon I'm going to mention. The total value we are going to get. Okay, the total. For suppose if you want to represent like negative index number -2. Okay, -2. Okay, -2. Now here y we are going to get -2 value. -1 is a, -2 is a y. Okay, now like this the values we can represent. Okay, the same way we have like I want to repeat the same name multiple times. How we can repeat it? Now name is a variable name, right? Now into 3 times I want to repeat it. Now here if I enter the 3 times. Okay, now what is the name is equal to value? Now this is the name of the value, right? Now what is the length of the name? Simply we have one function, len is a one function, we can pass the name to the len. Now if I enter, now 6 is the value. Okay, now this is a way name we can find out the length of the string in Python. Okay, that's it.